Helps keep the drive belt properly aligned and routed. Material: steel. Some ACDelco Gold parts may have formerly appeared as ACDelco Professional. Premium aftermarket replacement part. Manufactured to meet specifications for fit, form, and function for General Motors vehicles as well as most makes and models. ACDelco Gold, Professional, accessory drive belt pulleys are a high-quality alternative to original equipment, OE, parts. When the accessory pulleys are rotated due to drive belt motion, they cause the accessory drive belt to activate. ACDelco Gold, Professional, parts are manufactured to meet your expectations for fit, form, and function, making them a smart choice for General Motors vehicles, as well as most makes and models, including special applications. These high-quality parts are backed by General Motors. Some ACDelco Gold parts may have formerly appeared as ACDelco Professional. Top reviews from the United States. Works as described. Had an old car with a broken AC compressor that could not be quickly replaced and also kept the car from running without it. Took this pulley and fabricated a dummy fitting for the AC compressor with it, and now the car runs until I can afford to put in a new AC when the weather warms up.